What is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is we're going to be discussing a pair of Jordan 3s coming soon. You guys probably already know what these are. They're dropping midway through July. We got the True Blue Jordan 3, and that's the pair we're discussing in this video today, man. And basically, we're going over how the market looks really good on this shoe right now. It's actually looking a lot better than a lot of recent GR Jordans. However, we have to see how many of these Nike ends up making. We have to see how they perform over the next couple weeks. And I'll kind of let y'all know where I think the prices are going to head based off a lot of recent releases. But again, these could be an exception. It's been a bit since they've done the True Blues. I think like maybe 10 years or so. It could be wrong on the date there. But I remember the last ones being in 2016. And I'm copping a pair of these for sure. This is one of my favorite Jordans of all time. It's like this is the Jordan that got me into Jordans. I remember seeing this in high school, or freshman year, I think it's what it was. I was like 13 or 14, and I was like, man, what are those? And that's really what got me into shoes and Supreme and all that from there. So yeah, love this shoe. We're gonna break it down, and I'll try and keep my bias out of it. So I hope you guys will enjoy. Again, if you guys do want more sneaker content like this, go ahead, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget the normal goal. We always shoot for standard likes. If you could do that, that'd be great. If not, again, everything else is linked down below. My TikTok auctions. Y'all have been killing it over there lately, man. Thank you all so much, man. We have so much more coming over there. I've been working with the TikTok team. We're gonna have like 2 accounts over there soon. Really been trying to scale up the live streaming thing this year, so I appreciate you guys rocking with the streams. Yesterday's one was so fun. It was just good vibes, really chill, and yeah, everyone was ready, man. It was perfect. So yesterday was awesome. Thank you guys. We're gonna keep grinding over there, and hey, appreciate y'all tuning in, man. And of course over here as well, thank y'all for tuning in here. And the Instagram page is down below. We're pulling that giveaway winner today. I should be doing that tonight. If not tonight, I'll do it on July 1st, then post the blue tile giveaway immediately. But yeah, we're giving away a pair of blue tie SBs on my Instagram tomorrow. And not only that, the Brick After Brick giveaway ends tonight. So if you want a chance to win a free pair of Brick After Bricks, make sure you guys enter that giveaway tonight on my IG before I close it. I'll probably close it at midnight, and then we'll pull the winner. So yeah, get ready for that. Tag your 2 friends, like the post, make sure you follow, and let me know why you want the pair. And that's really it. And yeah, a bit of a long intro, but a lot of good info there to share with you guys. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. Let's get started. Alright, so as you guys can see, that screen recording should be up on the screen right about now. So, taking a look at the True Blue Jordan 3, you guys can see, looking at this pair right now, the resale market has been very, very strong. Again, looking at the recent sales on these, they've been very, very good. I don't think it's going to show me the sales on the individual pairs when I click right here, but let me show you all this. You go to all sales right here. Look at that, last sale $274. Highest offer $255. You just saw on the last pair we were checking out, right? The last sale there was like $349. So market's looking very good in the True Blue 3s before it's released. We have about 80 sales right now on StockX. So you can see, look where they're at. Look at where these sales are at. These are great sales right here. Again, 300 flat, 270, 290. We have one right down here at 267. Now, it does kind of let us know where the market is going to be heading towards, kind of that 260, 280 range. And I think it's actually kind of there a bit right now. But yeah, so at 270 mainly right now. You can see a lot of sizes are actually there at the moment. I'm probably going to go get my 9 or 9.5 today or tomorrow. If y'all, again, we're going to do an on-feet review for these 100% because I'm just copping a pair of these for my collection because I didn't get the 2016 ones, and these are like, well, they're close enough, man, and it's a really, really good pair of Jordan 3s, especially for like a summer colorway, like July 4th type colorway. Like, I feel like these are really, really good. So I'm going to try and get them before then, but we'll see what we can do, you know what I mean? But aside from that, looking at the resale range right now, it's kind of $270 to $300 range. I think this is honestly going to maintain for like the next week or so. We'll probably see these stay at about these prices. But again, as we get closer to July 18th, which again is that rumored date, I believe, for the sneakers drop. Let me make sure I'm right. Yep, that's what StockX is saying too. So July 18th is the date that these are most likely going to be hitting Sneakers, Hibbett, Foot Locker, Finish Line, all those different retailers. My cat's right here sleeping on the ground. My cat is hilarious, bro. What are you doing, little boy? You taking a little pretend nap right next to my foot? My cat's here. She'll join us in the video in a bit, I'm sure. But looking at the prices we see right now, I don't see these really dropping or like, you know, going up in price much over the next week or so. I feel like this is a fair range we see these at right now. But I'm going to keep it real with you guys. Nike's been making a lot of pairs of these recent releases, especially these GR ones. As clean a shoe as this is, man, and as excited as I am to get this one and rock it. Like, I personally feel like this should always be a shoe that, you know, is going above retail. But if I'm going to keep it a stack with you guys, I could see these kind of getting a little bit close to retail. I mean, I will say this, if we don't have anything going on in July, these are going to do well. Like, if there's no releases surrounding this one, this drop will probably do well, just for the fact that people are going to be looking for something around that back to school time. And if Nike just isn't loading drops, then you know this is going to be that shoe that people are going to be probably looking for back to school this year. Just going to be real. They're doing this at a good time. July 18th is a great date. A lot of people are going to get their pair in hand towards the end of July. That means that if you're looking at when most people are probably going to be selling their pair, right, or when people are going to be starting to look for a pair of these, right, if they haven't gone out the way and bought it like a week after the drop, it's going to be in that August months, like that kind of back to school, you know, back to grind season time, whatever you want to call it, end of summer season, whatever y'all prefer to call it, you know what I mean? I feel like that will probably be when we see some good sales for these, or see maybe the market actually maintain and maybe even go up a little bit. But if I'm keeping it real with you guys, you can see, look at that buy now. This is very, very telling. See the buy now at 249, which size is that? That's 7.5. Even though it's a 7.5, that lets us know if there's someone that is able to sell a pair of apps at 249, that means they probably paid like 180 bucks or 200 bucks on it, right? Because you're not making much after fees if you paid retail. Or you're really, I don't even think you're making anything if you sell it to apps at those prices after fees, right? Maybe like $5. But aside from the point there, where I see the market dropping on these, if I had to give y'all an early resale prediction just a couple weeks before the drop right now, I would say these are probably going to drop down to that range of about $240 to $260. I'm going to put a plus on the 260 because, again, I feel like a couple sizes, maybe like a 9.5, a 10, 10.5, you know, some of those more popular middle range sizes, size 11, I could see those staying up towards maybe 280, 270-ish. I think that's very possible just because maybe they don't make as many of them, or those sizes just, again, more people tend to wear like 9.5, 10, 10.5, 11. Those are some of the most commonly worn sizes in the world, right? So understanding that, those are the ones I could see, again, having a bit more demand for them just because there's more buyers, not necessarily because they're better or whatever it is, you know what I mean? Right? Shout out to Bigfoot gang. I feel like you're all, actually, if you're like a size 12 plus, I feel like you're going to have a decent chance of getting these for a good price. Like with Jordan 3s, I've never really seen the big size pairs be like a massive outlier, unless it's like years down the line. So, hey, if you're like a big size, hey, you're good here. I feel like you're going to get a good pair, a good deal on a really good pair right here. Sorry, I cannot speak, but that's kind of what I think about these in terms of like an early resale breakdown. I mean, in terms of how they look, it's an amazing sneaker. Like there's going to be a ton of sales on these. Like again, let me look at when the last time they did the True Blues was, just to make sure I'm not tripping here. Let's see, True Blue Jordan 3. I'm pretty sure it was 2016. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. It has been 10 years, guys. So these are going to be hyped. It's been 10 years since they've done them. I think they look great. Let's see how the 2016 one look. Let's see on these photos. 2016, 2026. Okay, so the blue looks a little bit darker on the 2016. See, I still want a pair of these. Like I don't even know if I could still wear these at this point if I buy them brand new, so I'd probably have to go get a used one. But I still want a pair of these. Like the blue does look darker. They look a little better in the 2016, not gonna lie. But I'm still gonna get these. Even with the lighter blue, they still look great. So that's why I could say, even though they're messing them up a little bit, they aren't quite the same. The blue is a little bit brighter, not gonna lie. I still think they're great, and people are still going. Again, if you're like new age like me, right, and you didn't get them back in 2016 when you were like, 13, 14 years old, and you just didn't have the money for it, you're gonna want to get a pair of these, one you can actually wear finally and enjoy. So I'm very excited for this drop. I'll be willing to pay, the prices on the screen right now. I think they're fair, and I'm gonna make sure to get one for that on feet review for you guys. So stay tuned with that coming soon. I'm gonna do the Myro Jordan 7 on feet video first, and then we'll do this one right here for you guys. So stay tuned. Both these are coming within like the next week or so. And yeah, just let me know if you guys enjoyed this pair right here, man. This is the main thing, or not this pair right here. Let me know if y'all enjoyed this video right here in the resale breakdown. Again, I think 240, 260 is the range, kind of inbound for this pair. My cat's walking between my legs right now. Hi, buddy. What are you doing, a little crazy? Hi. Hey, bud. It's my cat. Yeah, you all can probably hear. But yeah, that's what I could say, man, in terms of like the resale range in this pair. It's going to do well. I don't see it like bricking below retail. Like that would be extremely surprising. Because again, it's been like 10 years since they've done this pair. There's going to be some people wanting a new, fresh pair of these. And yeah, or people just wanting the first pair of these, like me, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm very excited to get this one. I've had the True Blue 3s before, but not like my size to actually wear and enjoy. Katie, can I do my outro? Can I do my outro? Here, we'll do the outro with my cat. You want me to pick you up? Come here, bud. Come here. Come here, baby. Oh, come here, kitty. Oh, a little heavy, chubby baby. All right, guys. We got Junior here. Little Miss Junior. Luna, you want to tell them subscribe and like? You guys can subscribe and like the video. And you can check out the Instagram pages and TikTok lives below. You can find me on the Instagram page and the TikTok page. I'll be on the story sometimes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I gotta say. Okay. Here you go. I got you. Okay. Wow. Amazing job, Kitty. And yeah, that's really all the details right there. They're all in the pinned comment. Oh, in detail. Little Kitty forgot to mention. Little Kitty. Yeah. She didn't like me picking her up. You were so picky. You want to hang out, but not that way? All right. That's cats, y'all. All right. Cats and dogs. They're so different, man. I love them both, though. So, yeah. All right. I'm off topic right now. But let me know what y'all think about the True Blue 3s in the comments. Everything else is linked down below there, too. And I'll catch you guys there, all right? See y'all tomorrow in the next video. Don't miss it. Peace out, squad.